How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I got another video going over my neighbor Ricky's here. He's having some trouble with the Kubota tractor, and he thinks he might know what's wrong with it. So we're gonna go check it out and see if we can help everyone else out too. Let's go. Good. Explain to me.
See this?
Yeah.
Can't go forward. Can't go over any further. Stuck in low range.
Okay.
Gear shifter works.
All right.
Won't do nothing. But if you're out, you got a problem. Reach down here is a little switch, neutral switch. All four gears work. Just can't get it out in range. So this linkage here, if you look, this is supposed to be in this groove.
You can't get it to that groove.
Huh.
So can you move it up to the groove?
Well, I'm thinking this has got to be pulled back or drove back.
All right, let's pull your seat up, Ricky. Can you get more room right there?
Yeah. I don't know if there's anything really to ply on. What it is about that, but now it's working. I mean, there really ain't no, what I'd say, play. I don't know if over the years them get a little worn down in there, but as you can see, it's working now. So if anybody's ever got that problem, as long as your clutch and your transmission still shift gear, but it's just kind of stuck there in place, you know what to do now.
Alright, hope that video helped you guys out there. If you got an L series tractor, this is the L34 now. Whether this will, the DT?
Yeah.
L34? Okay, so if you have that problem, that might help you out there.
I was going to take it to the dealership until I did a little bit of research, and it was $119 an hour, and they automatically told me I had to split the transmission. So
yeah, so simple fix. I'd like to tell everyone thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.